Good morning all. My name is E.J. Kumar. I am studying senior BC at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Centenary Junior College at Chinnategur. Today my topic is body fluids and circulation. Subtopic is structure of human heart. Heart is very important in human being. The heart purifies the blood and send to all body parts of the body parts. Today I am deeply explain about human heart. Heart is dorsal view and ventral view. In dorsal view, left pulmonary artery is there and pulmonary vein, and right pulmonary artery, superior vena cava, right pulmonary vein, inferior vena cava, right auricle and right ventricle. Apex, this like apex. Structure of human heart is hollow muscular cone-shaped pulsating organ situated between two lungs. It is about pinched. Shape is pinched fist. And in human heart, there are four parts mainly: pericardium, heart wall, external structure, internal structure. Pericardium is a two double-walled pericardium. One is outer pericardium and this inner pericardium, inner side. In this two pericardium, middle pericardium fluid flows and which side is friction and allows free movement of heart, and this cone shape this you observe, and you go to they are in external side. Heart consists three layers. One is outer epicardium, middle myocardium, and inner endocardium. Mainly today external structure. External structure is human heart is four chambers is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are two are upper very small chambers. This is arteria, right arteria, and left arteria, and right ventricle and left ventricle. This is very small and it's big. Then the right and the very thick layer. This side left ventricle have thick layer, and inferior vena cava and superior vena cava receives blood from lungs, deoxygenated blood in this side, and this is left pulmonary, and the oxygen blood to all over parts is supplied. This is very important, and this ventricles, right ventricle and left ventricle is separated by interventricular septum, and the right artery and left artery is separated by interatrial septum, and systemic arch, and this supplies blood for all parts of our body. This oxygen blood supplies, and this one receives deoxygenated blood, and the deoxygenated blood comes from upper artery, right artery, and becomes the ventricle, and this side you come to left artery and downwards ventricle. It sends to upper systematic arch. In the pressure of systematic arch, it goes to oxygenated blood. Structure. Here is four. It consists four. One is arteria, two ventricle, three nodal tissues, and fourth one is aortic arch. internal structure have arteries, two arteries and two ventricles and nodal tissues SA and AVN, sinoatrial node and atrioventricular node. Aortic arches, one is pulmonary arch, pulmonary artery and systematic artery. They have tricuspid wall and tricuspid and bicuspid wall is connected to papillary muscles. These are connected cardiac tendency. Bicuspid wall, tricuspid wall and papillary tendency is connected to cardiac tendency. These are collagenous cards. In this it has foramen valve, a small hole, and the heart has 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in heart sends blood to all our body. It is very important for body. It keeps healthy and send blood to all our body. Because there is no blood supplement, the functions of body stops and man will be die. It is very dangerous. When heart is very important and you make diet, do it fatty acids for the heart. Atria are blood releasing chambers and ventricles are blood pumping chambers. This atria receives deoxygenated blood from superior vena cava and posterior inferior vena cava. It takes deoxygenated blood and sends to ventricle, and ventricle sends to left atria, and left atria sends to left ventricle. It pressure the oxygen blood sends to systematic arch. Systematic arch sends to all our body, and the left pulmonary artery it sends to upper parts of our body, and this is arranged from left anterior to right ventricle. This it arises from the left ventricle. Nodal tissues is have SAN and AVN, sinoatrial node and atrioventricular node. There are two internal structure consists 4 parts: atria, ventricles, nodal tissues, aortic arches. Atria is attached to right atria and left atria. Is a blood receiving chambers. This one, and these are separated by interatrial septum. These two are right atria and left atria is separated by interatrial septum, and they have foramen vessel and ventricles. Ventricles are the blood pumping chambers. These two are separated by interventricular septum, and ventricles are this right ventricular deoxygenated blood goes to left ventricle. This alternate blood pumps the systematic arch, and they have nodal tissues SA and AVN, sinoatrial node and atrioventricular node. This is a heart muscle. Nodal tissue heart muscle. It have nodes and two nodes and fibers. One is AVN and two is SAN. Modify heart is node is a modify heart. One is SAN AVN. Ventricles. These are thicker. The left one we have thicker layer. Then the right ventricle. Muscular ridges called columnar carne. And carnate tendency of collagenous parts. These are connected papillary muscles and bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve. This you see. And superior vena cava is receives reaction blood from the upper parts of the body, and the inferior vena cava it receives reaction blood from the lower parts of the all parts of the body, and left pulmonary artery sends blood to lungs, and left pulmonary vein sends to blood to our some parts of our body. And there are two systematic arteries, and first one is pulmonary artery and second one is systematic arch. Sachra part or hollow muscular cone shaped pulsating organ situated between the lungs. It is about clincher fist. Clincher fist means this shape. You hold our fingers this like shape. It is about clincher fist. And cone shaped. You say diagram. This cone shaped. This curve. Cone shaped and pulsating means beating. This we have four parts. One is pericardium, and two is heart wall, three is extrasexual and intersexual. Pericardium have double wall pericardium. One is outer fibrous pericardium and inner is serous pericardium. Outer means this in the outside, and inner means inner side is serous pericardium. In this between two pericardium, the middle goes pericardium fluids which reduce friction and allows free movement of heart. And free movement of heart consists three types: outer epicardium and the middle myocardium. Four parts. One is outer epicardium, two is middle myocardium, and third one is inner endocardium. Atria means two arteries, upper chambers, two small chambers. These are two smaller chambers which receives blood, and two are ventricles. These are two small and this larger than the arteries. Ventricles are larger than the artery, and Heart and ventricle are supplied by transverse groove. Each organ has earlobe structure. This one earlobe structure is called auricular appendix. Auricular appendix. This one is auricular. Is earlobe, ear-shaped like structure, and ventricles. Ventricles are thick dead pumping chambers. Dead pumping chambers is pumps the blood to all our body and sends oxygen blood and receives deoxygenated blood, separated and purifying the blood in two ventricles. One is right ventricle takes blood, deoxygenated blood, and left ventricle oxygenated blood sends the body. And there are in internal structure it contains 4 parts. Atria. Atrium is 2 and ventricles 2. First one is atria and 2 ventricles, nodal tissues and systematic arch and pulmonary arch. One is nodal tissues have SAN. SAN means sinoatrial node and AVN means atrioventricular node. These are the nodal tissues. This is heart muscle. It has muscles divided into 2 parts and 2 nodes and fibers. One is AVN and 2 is SAN. Aortic arches. One is systematic arch and pulmonary arch. Blue color is pulmonary arch. You see in the chart. Blue color means pulmonary arch and right one, red one is systematic arch. It arises from the right atria and systematic arises from the left atria. It carries deoxygenated blood from the lungs and it carries oxygenated blood to all our parts of our body. You see this mainly, you see all our parts of the heart. One is aortic arch, right pulmonary artery, superior vena cava, right pulmonary vein, right auricle, and opening of coronary vein. This small hole is there. This one is opening of coronary vein, tricuspid valve, and right ventricle, inferior vena cava, interventricular septum. Interventricular septum means is and 2 ventricles are separated by interventricular septum and 2 arteries are separated by interarterial system. This one interarterial system, this interventricular septum dividing, and here one there is divided the 2 arteries, right artery and left artery. Divides is separated by coronary sulcus and in human heartbeat, 1 minute 70 times it produce. The sound of heartbeat is lub dub. Every minute have 72 times heartbeat. One is lub and dub. Approximately 5 liters of the blood pumped from the ventricles, left ventricle, and right ventricle sends oxygenated blood, and left ventricle takes deoxygenated blood from the parts and the lungs. These 2 ventricles and artery pumped the blood. Approximately 5 liters. Here a small hole is there. Foramen valve. In adults, it is found in atrial septum. This is the parts of the heart.
I am a small dog. What is the size of our heart?
It is about clenched fist. Our hand is our fingers closed. This shape is there. It's not clenched fist. It's there. Thank you to all for giving this golden opportunity.